Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your HCSG employee account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your HCSG employee account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address hub.hcsgcorp.com like this, and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the login page of HCSG group over here. And now in order to log into your account, you'll be required to first enter your employee ID or your email which you had registered on HCSG at the time of creating your account like this. And after entering your email address, simply click on login, and on the next step you'll be required to enter your password related to your account. And after entering your password, you will be signed into your HCSG employee account. And there guys, this is how you log into your HCSG employee account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.